Welcome my friends. Today we are going to watch a very valuable video about the ancient Petra of Jordan. This video will be very useful for you traveling around the world. Petra is a famous archaeological site in Jordan's southwestern desert. Dating to around 300 BC, it was the capital of the Nabataean kingdom. Accessed via a narrow canyon called Al-Khazneh. It contains tombs and temples carved into pink sandstone cliffs, earning its nickname, the Rose City. Perhaps its most famous structure is 45 meters high Al-Khazneh, a temple with an ornate, Greek-style facade, and known as the Treasury. Watch this valuable video until the last second.
Petra, originally known to its inhabitants as Rakmu or Rakmo, is a historic and archaeological city in southern Jordan. It is adjacent to the mountain of Jabal al-Madba, in a basin surrounded by mountains forming the eastern flank of the Arab Valley running from the Dead Sea to the Gulf of Aqaba. The area around Petra has been inhabited from as early as 7000 BC, and the Nabataeans might have settled in what would become the capital city of their kingdom, as early as the 4th century BC. Archaeological work has only discovered evidence of Nabataean presence dating back to the 2nd century BC, by which time Petra had become their capital. The Nabataeans were nomadic Arabs who invested in Petra's proximity to the incense trade routes by establishing it as a major regional trading hub. The trading business gained the Nabataeans considerable revenue, and Petra became the focus of their wealth. The Nabataeans were accustomed to living in the barren deserts, unlike their enemies, and were able to repel attacks by taking advantage of the area's mountainous terrain. They were particularly skillful in harvesting rainwater, agriculture and stone carving. Petra flourished in the 1st century AD, when its famous Al-Khazneh structure, believed to be the mausoleum of Nabataean king Aretas IV, was constructed, and its population peaked at an estimated 20,000 inhabitants. History. The Iron Age lasted between 1200 and 600 BC. In that time, the Petra area was occupied by the Edomites. This came when the Edomites rebelled after the death of King Solomon in 928 BC, when Israel split into 2 kingdoms, for Israel to be in the north and Judah in the south. The Edomites were known as descendants of Esau, and this was referenced in the Old Testament of the Bible. The configuration of mountains in Petra allowed for a reservoir of water for the Edomites. This made Petra a stopping ground for merchants, making it an outstanding area for trade. Things that were traded here included wines, olive oil, wood, and most prominently, the trading of spice. Initially, the Edomites were accompanied by nomads who eventually left, but the Edomites stayed and made their mark on Petra before the emergence of the Nabataeans. They were then engaged in battle with King Amaziah of Judah and chased back into their own lands. It is said that 10,000 men were thrown off of the mountain Amal-Bayara. This story has been debated by scholars, as it is in biblical times. The Edomite site excavated at the top of the Amal-Bayara mountain at Petra was established not earlier than the 7th century BCE, Iron II. ancient Petra of Jordan. If you think this video is good, subscribe and like Travel with Lehiru YouTube channel and join us. Also share the video for your friend to watch. This will allow you to watch more valuable videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching.